In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create reports in Monday.com. We're going to delve into crafting real-time reports of your board using dashboards. It's a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your productivity and give you a better visual representation of your ongoing projects. First things first, let's locate the plus icon on the left panel right next to your current workspace title. This plus icon is your gateway to adding new items, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked, you'll be presented with a variety of options, but for our purposes, you're going to want to select Dashboard. Now, it's time to give your new dashboard a name. Choose something intuitive that reflects the data or the purpose it will serve. This will help you keep things organized as you expand your use of dashboards. After naming your dashboard, the next step is crucial: connecting the right boards. These boards are the ones from which the dashboard will pull data. You'll see a list of checkboxes next to each board available in your workspace. Simply check the boxes of the boards you want included in your report. This selection determines the scope of information your dashboard will contain and display. Once you've selected the desired boards, click Done to finalize your choices. With that, you've now created your dashboard, but the real customization begins here. Adding widgets is how you'll tailor this space to meet your specific needs. For example, you can include a numbers widget. This tool is excellent for showing expense reports, providing you with a numerical summary of your financials right at a glance. For those who appreciate a bit of visual flair, the battery widget is a fantastic choice. This widget presents a colorful visual that represents the progress of your work. It's both informative and engaging, showing how much progress you've made against your goals. If you prefer a more traditional graphical representation, bar charts are available. These can be incredibly helpful for comparing different data sets over time or across categories. You also have the option to create Gantt charts. Gantt charts are perfect for tracking timelines and deadlines. They provide a clear, visual way to see your project's timeline, which can be invaluable in project management. Ultimately, the customization of these reports is entirely up to you. You have a plethora of options to personalize your reports so they best serve your specific needs and preferences. Experiment with different widgets, layouts, and styles until you find the configuration that offers the most meaningful insights for your workflow. And that's all there is to it. Creating and customizing dashboards in Monday.com is a powerful way to visually organize and manage your projects.